a 2024 G87 M2, and in today's episode, we're gonna be transforming it from this to this, and I am so excited. We have the new Vorsteiner complete carbon fiber wide body kit, a set of Olin suspension, Keys Motorsports stuff from top to bottom, and we also have a lot more on the way, but you guys are gonna have to stay tuned to that. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's episode. Let me guess, you killed the battery already.
I think I did. We're about to find out, but either way, the car's gotta move no matter what.
That is still one of the best cars that has ever come out of this shop. Let's grab the M2.
Left hand down, straight back. Oh, way back. More.
It's a big girl. Feels pretty big.
For being that small,
I know.
it's big, huh?
Feels like my M3. All right, let's get on the list.
Twin turbo? Woo! No, I don't even know. We're just talking.
Yeah, S58, dog.
Looks like a rotary engine. Let's take the locks off first.
Planes, trains, automobiles.
Forget it.
For this car, we are not converting it to wheel studs.
We're not,
which we
yeah.
do. But there you go. Now you can take it off. You don't have to worry about the wheel falling on the
That
ground.
helps a lot. By now, the wheel would have been on the floor. Look at that. Oh, so easy. Dude, that actually helps a lot. Jeez, you guys only send one? There's 4 wheels. Come on. I'm just kidding.
We start with front or back?
Well, let's start with the front. Oh man, I see sensors on sensors. We gotta be really careful while we do this.
Some BMW stuff. Clips on clips, dude.
I'm already not liking this car.
So I actually forgot to mention, this isn't our car. This car actually belongs to Nick. Nick is the owner of SD Design House. He's been a huge partner of Throttle for a couple years now. He does most of our wraps here at Throttle. He's a great guy. And he just picked this up, so we thought this would be an awesome transformational episode. And he's actually gonna wrap it.
There's the first one. They're actually not that heavy.
We got the first side out really easily, so we're gonna move on to the other side. We'll drop that, and then we'll get all the suspension on the table to show you how nice this Olin stuff is.
Ready?
I thought this was gonna launch across the room.
Hate the car and everything. Nah, easy day.
So here we have the Olin's Road and Track coilover suspension for the G87 M2. Now, I am so excited. It's the first time we've ever installed a set of Olin's here. I've heard nothing but great things. This set has the DFVs, which is the dual flow valve. So essentially you have adjustable compression and damping from the click of a knob on the bottom of both the front and the rear. So we will be sure to get this thing tuned up nicely for Nick, and if he ever wants to go to the track, he will be more than capable of doing that on this beautiful set of Olin. So, are you ready to install?
Let's get it done, bro.
Let's do it. We're gonna start with the front because we have to reuse the top hats from the factory in the rear.
This is the passenger side. Oh, look at Queenie boy, ready to go.
Quinn's back! Quinn's back from Texas.
Let me get a coil over here, brother. Let me know I'm gonna go up.
Come on up, brother.
Alright, Ab, you're next.
Yeah.
You get it in the first time.
Okay. Honey.
He may be retired.
I'm back, baby. I'm cocked in. Shoot. It's gonna be sick. Today's episode is sponsored by us here at Throttle. If you guys are looking for new performance parts, aesthetic mods, anything you can think of for your car or truck, check out the link in the video description. We're also running some really good sales on coilovers, turbochargers, brakes, you name it. And we also have some new merch as well. So just remember that every $1 you spend is gonna give you an automatic entry to win our Lancer Evo and a check for $20,000. Good luck and enjoy the rest of the video.
16.
Only one missing. The only one missing is one we need.
You know why? Because we were using it.
You're using it?
Yeah, it's
team?
I didn't use the last.
I thought you took this apart.
Ricky did.
No. Aquí está, listo. Ready to go. Don't use the gun.
Sock it.
This
And
is
sock
why
it.
it takes us so long to do a
This
video.
is why I don't break bolts. Right?
This is why that's taking 2 years, because Queen does everything by hand. Boys, use the gun. My arms are getting tired.
I don't know, get tired at all. We're moving on to the rear suspension. We've got the car lifted up in the air more. We've got a little spin jack here on the lower control arm. So this bolt's coming off. This bolt's coming off this arm. We're actually gonna loosen this, but it's gonna stay because it's a eccentric adjustment, but it's gonna go, and then everything's gonna come, and then we'll go with the new stuff, and then back on, done. You know what I'm saying? You wanna see something really fun? Ready? Watch this. Hey, 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 hey!
You don't count. Oh, one finger. Transfer the top hat to the new coilovers, or the shock at least, and the sensor as well. So we're gonna put this back over there. We also have to install this at the same time, and then press everything out, put a couple of bolts in, and we should be done.
So for this car, we're going rear end, complete max slam, front raised up as high as it goes.
No, we're not doing the Queen spec. Alright, Queen's finishing up the driver's side. I'm gonna tackle the passenger side. Let's get it, baby. Oh yeah.
For a guy who doesn't like BMWs, Ricky, you sure know how to work on them.
Because they break a lot. So I'm used to working on them because they've always broken. We are adjusting the spring to match the same height where the shock is right now, just so we can kind of keep everything in tension. And then once we lower the car, if it's too high, then we can lower it from there. But right now, we just want to make sure everything stays in place as we lower the car.
The man with the plan.
Olin suspension is fully installed. Next, we're gonna move into some beautiful bits by Kia. So this is a full carbon fiber strut bar, which is excellent. For some reason, the strut bars on these newer BMWs are not what they used to be. The F80 had a really nice carbon one, and now it's just kind of like this stamp, almost like square stock. So having a nice
Yeah,
carbon.
it kind of cheaped out. Yeah, because the F80 was sick. It was. And then we went back to this. But this is the same setup that I have in my G80. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite parts on the car. And guess what?
Luckily, the boys came through with the carbon, and it fits the G87 as well, which is really nice. So before we get into the strut bar, we're gonna pull the front bumper off because we also have some Keys carbon fiber kidney grills. They're awesome.
I know from experience, this is very similar to my car. In order to do the kidney grills, you have to take the entire front bumper off, then you have to take all of the plastic out just to get to the back of those. So it's kind of a pain in the butt.
You already know what you're doing. So
All right, I'm clocking out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'll take
All right, so we're gonna tag team this.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
That's it, right?
Now we have access to 1,000 torques. Boom, 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 boom. And by the magic of editing, you ready, Ricky? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. All right, I just got all of these bolts off.
You didn't get anything out.
Start throwing some carbon on it. Let's go.
Hey, put some light in. I can't see.
just knocked out. It looks awesome. One of my favorite mods. Just so nice, cleans up the end of the
Such a good kit. So we got lucky on this one because on your G80, the grill is huge.
It's because it got the massive
So it's like it was from literally the top of the bumper to the bottom of the bumper. Then it had like another additional plastic piece that went on top of everything. So this is cool, just seeing it actually just being the grill. So we don't have to mess with it.
Yeah, that's easy, yeah. And we get to toss these guys in.
Yeah.
All right, I'll take this, John.
Nah. Go back to your mirrors, bro. Get out of here.
Clips in so satisfying, too.
So good.
All right, let's see what these grills look like.
Ready, bro?
That was almost too easy.
That was.
Ready? You got it?
Literally took 2 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Wow.
Oh, yeah. That's crazy. That looks way better.
Bro, so looking at this car, the rear end has like a nice carbon fiber diffuser, and everything we do into it is just gonna maximize everything for the car. I think it's just turning out super good.
So we've been trying to pull the fenders off with the car on the rack, and unfortunately that is just not gonna happen because we can get every single piece of hardware except for one. It's like right here going this way up, which absolutely sucks because we cannot open the doors enough. There's a black piece of plastic that runs from the bottom all the way to the top, and we can't get it with the door only being able to open literally like that much. So it's just not enough room for us to squeak that out. So what do we have to do, Ricky?
We are gonna have to put the wheels on it. Hopefully the dude, the bottle's still there. So we gotta get rid of that. Put the wheels on it. Roll it forward so we can open the doors all the way, and then we'll be able to remove the fender.
Let's do it.
I don't want to do this right now.
Also, this is the first time we've ever put the car on the ground with the new Olin suspension on. We have no idea where the ride head is, so we might have to do that first, adjust it, get it where it needs to be, and then roll forward, then take the fenders off. Find out. Let's do it. Ooh, baby, let's go. Let's see what she does. I bet the back's super high.
It's back or what?
No way, the back's gonna be high. Ooh, that's pretty good. That's actually pretty good. For ride height? That a boy?
The back out.
That's it, yeah. So the last bolt is here, going up this way. So, not fun.
And I got the driver's side off as well. So now it's time to put on the Vorsteiner stuff.
You ready, bro? Look at this fender. Beautiful.
Fender's done, baby.
Bumper time.
Vorsteiner front lip, you ready? This should be just a complete bolt-on.
Wait,
awesome.
you said that name right?
Yeah, Vorsteiner.
Oh, they say Vorsteiner. Did you say Vorsteiner or Vorsteiner?
That's literally the name of the company, is Vorsteiner.
Yeah, but you said Vorsteiner.
It is Vorsteiner.
Okay, grab that stuff.
Yeah, that's it.
The fitment is really good on this. Damn! Look at that! Wow, okay.
Yeah, yes. Go with the new grills. That looks sick, dude. That looks way better than the factory stuff. Because it didn't have a lip before at all. It was just kind of like, it just kind of like rolled in. And now we got some good ground effects, you know? Carbon on there. I hope we leave sections of the carbon exposed because that'd be a really nice look. But it looks good. All right, the front end on the M2 is complete. The grills, the lip, and the fenders, and everything looks fantastic.
I know, man. This thing is turned out so cool.
Freaking sharp. Now the side skirts are gonna go on, but they're gonna complete the look of the fender, which is really cool, but we're not gonna put those on quite yet. The next thing we're gonna move on to is actually the trunk. So I'm gonna pop this, we're gonna pull everything out of the trunk with the trunk on. Once it's off, then we'll pull this trunk off, throw that trunk on, and get it bolted in.
Yeah,
ready?
Simple.
Let's do it. That fit. Now the original trunk, everything wiring wise was kind of doing like one of these, but Ricky's claiming we should run it underneath the carbon here. It'll look much cleaner, right?
Yeah.
You gonna try that?
Yeah, so when he pops it's like, damn.
Oh,
Let's go, look at this.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Baby, let's go. Nice.
One of the main things that me and Quinn talked about, we are not going to swap the emblems over because, you know, we've said it multiple times, it's going to be wrapping things.
It's going straight to wrap once
Yeah,
we're done.
there's no point of transferring everything over and then have him deal with it, taking it off again. So.
We are about to get this M2 on the ground, but before we do, we're going to be adding some 15mm real spacers. This is a kit by Keys Motorsports. This actually is spacers and extended lugs, which is really cool. Let's get this thing on the ground. You ready?
Comes with both in one?
Yeah. Spacers are in there, and then the lugs are at the bottom.
15 mil. Bam.
That's it. That's it.
That looks rad. You got the spacers on.
The only thing that's not on is the skirts. We're gonna pull it forward and like mock fit them. But other than that,
Yeah.
car's complete.
Yo. All right. Hey, dial. Oh, that's perfect.
I think it's great.
That's perfect.
Now, right?
Dude, this thing is sick.
Let's get it forward, dude. Let's get it off the rack.
Damn.
Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Sick.
Oh my god.
The stance is great.
That's perfect. Yeah.
The lid from the grills and the fenders, baby. Oh yeah. That right there.
Did you already explain how these attach?
We did, yeah. We're not gonna be able to screw them because it's gonna go right back up.
So there it is.
The very last piece we have to install on Nick's M2 before we get it back to SD Design is install the Keys Motorsports fire extinguisher mount. This is a lightweight carbon fiber mount that sits in front of the front seat and allows us to throw an element fire extinguisher on in case we have any fires.
Let's see this. Hold on. This looks really cool already. Oh, dude, that's sick.
Carbon baby, come on, let's go. So all it does, Ricky, it just sandwiches underneath. So we just loosen the two front seat bolts, lift it up a little bit, slide that sucker in there.
Ah, I kind of like hold this and close it here.
Exactly. Yep. It's like simple, out of the way. It's not in your face. It's not on something. You don't have to add a cage or do anything crazy. It's only just there in case you need it.
Oh, this is a speaker right here.
Yeah, it's good enough. Done.
Let's put it back where it goes.
Here you go. You need a fire extinguisher? You just grab it.
Reach down.
Done.
Be done. That's pretty.
Easy. Really nice. It's time to take the M2 back to Nick, so let's go.
We'll be back in a few days.
You're back in like 2 months?
No, you gotta get to work now.
Oh my god, yeah.
Back in a few days, later somebody's ready, and then we'll meet you here. You can deliver it to us, and we'll see you for the final time.
Sounds good.
All right, Nick is just about to pull up right now with the M2. I can see it already. Yeah! You can't miss it.
Wait, damn.
Holy crap, this color is